Jacob.
I want to know what you
Oh my god.
Sorry, it's not my fault. That's a graduation
I
quiz.
like bees.
They're like peas. Is that what you just said?
Those are cool.
Hello, bees. You're like way up there. Woo! Wait, I'm gonna turn it sideways.
Dang you, flag. Scoot over.
Scoot over. Why can't I zoom in? It won't let me zoom in.
It's not all, I was gonna say.
It would be very sad if that was all.
I know. I'm like wasting money.
A waste of money. Not doing this. Woo!
I bet there's like 5 people that just lighting them up.
Bumper boats.
I bet there's just 5 people just keep lighting them up.
It's so hot and smoky.
They probably have like masks going.
Yeah, they probably have masks on.
Like gas masks.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised.
I can see them with like little torches or whatever.
It's like shh.
To light them up.
The flamethrower. The kids see it. Wow! It's got a flamethrower.
Stop! I just finally stopped laughing.
Not anymore.
My throat hurts. Oh, I think that's the hardest I've ever laughed.
That was
I
awesome.
cried so much. That was something else.
Oh, it smells like fireworks now.
No dog.
Yeah, now, seriously, it just hit me. Now it smells like fireworks.
I know. It kind of smells good. I like it.
Me too.
Kinda.
We like all turns. So now we're all like facing this way.
It's been going on for 2 minutes.
No, more than that 3, because you haven't been recording that long.
Oh, okay, well, fine. Be that way. Oh, hello, redness.
So we're facing this way.
I know.
Water don't like us. We're just going to turn this. I'm going to hold on to my phone for life. It's over the water.
You guys
Hello, water. How you doing? Oh, it's red, white, and blue! What?
Oh yeah,
We can go up there.
Oh, sweet. Let's do that. Take our pillows with us. And our blankets. Yeah. Oh my god.
That's better.
Help me. I can only do so much with a phone. Ooh. Oh my god. Hello, Jacob's pants. Hello.
Hello. How are you?
See, this is much better.
Hello,
Why did we
Light.
do this at first?
Because my
That's you
mom
sitting there.
will let me.
Give me my jacket, sir. My belt's cool now.
Oh my god.
Here, give me the phone.
No.
If I-
I can still videotape this, even with the hole in my pants.
Dude, I thought you were gonna slide over the wall. Kill you.
Like throw it in the water accidentally.
God, that kid's still going.
No, he's off. I can't hear him or I'd be laughing.
Or I'd be laughing. I'm not laughing anymore. Nope. Looks like a ray of stars. Shine bright like a diamond. So beautiful. Is that all you got?
Sounds like
Pepsi!
that'd be cool if they turned into faces. Finally. Yeah.
That looked like a flower.
Kind of Pepsi.
Different kind of Pepsi.
That one did.
Whee! Oh, that's pretty. You are a disgrace. You're too tiny.
I know. They tried their best.
They're trying their best right now, but I'm not giving them any credit.
See, now they're getting faster with them. They're probably. Whoa.
Like, we got this.
Look all the smoke.
I know, it's so cool.
Yeah, the smoke's cool. The fireworks.
I'm going to like still make it work. Don't move me. Utter silence. I just love hearing the aftermath.
It's like a little kid.
Stop it! No! Don't move. Don't be a butt. Can't even see you.
My cheeks hurt.
If I'm laughing too hard.
Yes.
Going.
No, it wasn't with that. It was
You guys
that.
have no wow.
Oh, wow.
It was that.
I'm just
and
going to
that,
get in the
just
middle of
hearing
this.
The freaking little kid. Wow.
Wow.
He laughed so hard.
That was awesome.
That's because he was saying it
I was
so.
like crying.
Wow. Pickles. What about pickles?
It said Pickle Sparkle.
Whoa, they're getting higher.
Oh, that's you.
I can't fit this in my screen. Whoa, guys. Wait, down there.
Dude, look at there's a plane.
Plane's like, getting out
The
of
plane's
here.
like, dude, look how fast it's going. I'm getting out of here.
Getting bombed tonight.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
There's a plane over there blinking and there's fireworks.
Dude,
Oh.
like, just hearing the after explosion sounds like thunder.
I know, it's coming from over there.
Yeah, because the sound goes that way.
Oh, you're beautiful. Ah. Yay. So beautiful. Like the tan ones, they turn out white on my screen. It's really weird. Like that's white.
Those are sparkling.
Pepsi.
Flying things.
There.
You look like bees.
Little black bees.
Whoa.
Having fun there. Whoa, you're off track. It was like, wee!
He's like, I'm out.
I'm out. Not doing this.
I'm free.
Wee. I wonder how long this will take.
It usually lasts a half an hour.
Whoa, what? My arm's getting tired.
Don't record all of it. It's not like you're gonna watch it again.
I probably will.
Not over and
Be
over
like,
again.
relive this moment.
Like next 4th of July, if we're doing the same thing. Guys, remember this?
Remember last year's?
I can see that happening.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Pepsi! Not Pepsi. The Pepsi came out of the can.
It exploded.
Ooh, that's pretty.
That's what happens when you shake it up too much.
Whee.
I like those.
Yeah.
Whoa. It's like zooming into us.
It was like
It's
3D
scary.
status.
Chill out.
It's like, calm. Let's not get too hasty. It's like, wee. I'm free! Whee. Oh, hello.
There's 4th of July colors. Keep seeing green, pink. I'm like, no, it's supposed to be red, white, and blue.
Get it right.
See? They add orange and green.
I'm gonna do the finale. I'll laugh if that's the finale.
Huh?
I'll wait for the finale. Or is this it?
No. This is like in the middle.
Oh, okay. Ah! Stop moving. You're too big for my. Whoa! You're too big for my screen. Stop it.
You'll notice the finale because you'll see them go.
Yeah.
Just
Okay,
like a
well
whole
I'll
bunch.
wait. I'll wait for the finale. Goodbye, guys.